people do not like to hear the word replacement when you can't even argue on if replacement is or isn't, when the individual that you are believing for didn't even take their place. So what exactly are you replacing if they never took their place? So you're getting mad over a word. Well, God's word will not return to him void. God has a marital promise over your life. And who that is can change. We saw it change with Esther, like I mentioned, and those are just two examples, but also